how to earn money online and retire early without having savings or a 401k or other assets. Most people think that retirement planning means you would have to have decades of savings. And while this is true, this is not the only way. I will show you how people are retiring early, yes, early in this new era, even with nothing saved in the bank. So here it is. The number one way to play catch up on having enough money saved for your retirement is to start a profitable business right now. You don't need a nest egg to start earning money online. You just need an income engine. And if you stick with me on this channel, those are the things that I teach you how to do. So if you are someone who did not have the ability to store up savings for your retirement years, whether it's bad management or never had the ability to access enough to save for your retirement years, and also you are worried about not having enough, you're worried about health insurance costs and all these other things that comes during these years, you're worried about not being a burden on your children or your grandchildren in these years, you're worried about your financial status right now that you're looking at, and it's not okay to live on in your retirement years. Well, this video is for you. So if you have little or no savings, it's not too late. That's what this video is also about. It's not too late. Millions of people around the world are just getting started and they're already making money online. In fact, most are making more money in a year than they have made in their 20 years 9-to-5 career. Like, it is insane, the opportunity. And why won't you be a part of this? Because of the school system, the public indoctrination camp that tells you you need permission to do anything? No. By the way, if you are serious about earning online before the year starts or at the new year, let's bring your ideas to my free 90 minutes office hours. This is where we answer business questions. This is the hot seat. We'll do live Q&A, quick audits, and leave you with one clear action. Comment hot seat, HOT SEAT, down below. This is a group style setting, so first come, first serve. Come with your questions, whether it's a business idea, you've started a business, or you've never started at all, or you want to scale what you already have. Come with your question. This is free. Like, no one else is doing this, and I've seen and heard your pain. A lot of people don't want to just go buy a course yet. They need to know if this is where they should be going or how they should pivot. So this I created for you, my community. It's a free 90 minutes session. You don't have to stay the whole 90 minutes, but come early enough to get your questions answered. We're doing this once a week, every Wednesday, between 10:30 to 12:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, back to our regular programming. Retirement isn't just your age or your savings, that what you've collected. It is really your income streams. The Bible says a good man or a good person leaves an inheritance to not just their children, but their children's children. What do you plan to leave for your grandchildren? And even if you don't have children, what do you plan to leave for the next generation? What legacy? What will you be remembered for? It doesn't have to be a business. Yes, it doesn't have to be finance, but a lot of the things that we need to leave legacy for requires finance. Even if you volunteer, how are you going to pay your bills? Even if you, let's say you write a book, you still need money to do all that. So leaving a legacy, whatever a legacy means to you, we need finance for that. And this is where I will open up the gates for you to see more clearly that you should be starting a business. You should be having different or multiple streams of income, because I want you to have financial freedom in your retirement years. So, this just came to my mind that, how a lot of millionaires, right? Millionaires, billionaires, they have actually lost and went bankrupt Some, not all, okay? Meaning that there became a point in their life like you where you didn't really have any savings. So if they had retirement and savings, a lot of them lost it. But because of the mindset that they had the tools to go and recreate a new business, a new system, a new structure, and whatever they learned not to do that caused them to be bankrupt or lost their business in the first place. Maybe it's the relationship that they kept that, affected the business, or bad decision. They now have wisdom to create the new and successful and sustaining business that they have. A lot of millionaires and people with successful businesses, they lost so much. Basically, they're in your spot. If this is you, they had to play catch up. They had no savings, they had even no name, but they had some inbuilt skills or things that they know they could monetize and create a business again that became successful. So I just wanted to tell you, it is not too late. If you have no savings, no substantial 401k, not enough save for retirement. And also, if you just desire to retire earlier and whatever you have saved is not enough, this is for you to start a business, right? And as you stick with me, I will go over successful business and what you would need for your business to be successful, because that's the key. Successful, profitable business, not just go your friend and them selling Mary Kay and all these other things. And do you have people skills? Do you know how to create? If you're going to go those kind of route, if you were called to be a Mary Kay seller, do you have those kind of skills to make it worthwhile and be profitable? Okay. But one of the things that I teach most of my students is how to use the things that they have learned over the years, the skills or the natural talents and abilities, and to bring that to market to serve more people. That is one of the things I am gifted at. Okay, to bring that to people's brain, to their forefront, for them to say, oh, wait, everybody's always coming to me for my Christmas cake or whatever it is. I just don't know how. They might just don't know how to position this into a business. Everybody's always coming to me to ask me about decision about, you know, your marital relationship. They might not just know how to position it to bring it to market to help more people. See what I'm getting at? So most of us already have the skills. Okay, so we're not trying to, I'm not here to tell you about start this one, start this kind of business, start this one, doing what's hot and trendy. God desire for the things that he planted in us, for us to multiply that. All right. So now you know the fastest path to being financially secure during or before your retirement years is to start a business and earn money now. And you don't have to even quit your job if you don't want to. I'm not telling you to quit your job, because you might be serving and you love what you do, but it's just not enough to take you where you want to go. And in the next session that I'm going to talk about, I'm going to show you the surprising thing is you might already have all the skills that you need to start a business. So don't worry about that.